It's
like,
much
"Here, we'll
easier
give
than
you
the
this."
hunter one. I still say I haven't done the out of the warlock and the hunter one's harder.
Duly noted.
But that's because 8 fucking minotaurs at once.
Okay, I found
Oh,
him.
this guy. Hang on, maybe it wasn't too easy. He's easy compared to some of the fights, but you and I sat there and played strike, not strike.
And I've gone up and done those heroic story missions. So
That's Gecko. I don't want to shoot Gecko. Ah!
You sure? Every now and again she needs good shooting.
I used my super on him.
and I used 2 rocket launchers on him. That was easy.
I used my super on him because I freaked out.
I'm slightly upset at how easy that was, but guys, I've always needed one of these.
Without their help, houses usually turn against each other.
All hail!
Billy Bob.
That was the wrong one. All hail! All hail the rose! Let's stand in the front of
All hail
her.
the rose!
I like this. Hang on.
All hail the rose!